So Samsung A10 LCD replacement. So proceed to take the back off nice and carefully. Sometimes these are difficult to take off, so just be patient with it. If you can heat the back of it only, it'll expand a little bit more so you can take it off easier. Alright, little tip there. I was playing with freeze spray there just for the hell of it. Okay, so off she comes. Put that aside. Proceed to take all these screws out. They're all the same size, so you don't have to worry about putting them back in the correct order. There's a lot of screws in this, but Samsung make great products. And they're so accessible as well and easy to repair, you know, to be fair. Not so much like Apple, you know, but anyway. So take these plates off and then take off the charging port. You can take off the top board and the charging port board as well in one piece, you know. You might need some alcohol to take that bottom bit off. Be careful not going onto the board, you don't rip some ICs out, you know, or resistors or anything. So you take off the speaker and the earpiece, and there's a power button at the side. You got to be careful to get under that nice and easy. Take off that metal plate, that'll have to go probably into your new parts. Just take your time at this. This power button was a little bit tricky, but you just got to take your time at it. Check twice and take off once. Put that back into your new LCD along with the earpiece, along with the speaker as well, and the power button, volume button, ribbon. There you go. Just a little bit of tape using here to hold the battery, and no big shakes, you know, iPhone. G's will do. Put your battery back. Now, to get this ribbon, the LCD ribbon to connect, it might be a bit tight, so put the ribbon on the board before you anchor the board down on the LCD, because it might be a little bit short and you can't do it afterwards. Glue down these antenna wires. Okay, put them in the correct order, white on top, blue on the bottom. Little bit of glue, small bit of glue, just to keep them in place while you're putting the back on, because you might grab them with the back while you're putting it on. Put all these plates back nice and gently. Make sure it's connected in before you put the screws in. Make sure that board's fitting right before you put them plates back in the back. All the screws back. And there you go, all done. Job done.
No, you're
Yeah,
mighty.